Hey, what's up guys? This is Ben from Lavocat Law. Today I'm going to talk about power of attorney. What is a power of attorney? A power of attorney is a legal document, okay, signed by somebody giving the power to another person called the attorney to act on his behalf, okay, in any kind of matters. It could be business matters, HDB matters, signing documents, contracts, anything to do with company. Yeah, why is a power of attorney needed? It's very simple, because the person is not available to carry out the thing. For example, the person who is signing the power of attorney is called the donor, D-O-N-O-R. The donor may be overseas, so he cannot sign the purchase of property documents or sale of property documents or even the HDB documents. The donor could be in prison, okay? I've done many prison POAs because the person goes to prison, didn't think about doing a power of attorney, he needs to sell a flat, buy a flat, yeah. Or for any other reason, for example, they're bedridden, they can't go to HDB or wherever to sign a document, okay? There are three types of power of attorneys. I will discuss the most common type, which is the HDB power of attorney. There are three types of HDB power of attorneys. First type is to buy a HDB flat. Second, so for example, a person wants to buy a HDB flat, he will be overseas, he's in prison, he's not around, he needs to appoint his wife to sign the purchase documents for him, so he does a HDB purchase power of attorney. The second type is a HDB sale power of attorney. For example, a person wants to sell his HDB flat, same thing, not around, overseas, in prison, he does that. Third one is subletting of HDB flat. Subletting means renting. So for example, two donors, a husband and wife, they are going overseas for some job or some SAF posting, and they want to rent their flat. They need to appoint an attorney to help them, find a person to rent, find a tenant, sign the tenancy agreement, liaise with the housing agent. So that's where the HDB subletting power of attorney comes in. Okay. The next type of power of attorney is the private property power of attorney. It basically deals with any kind of property except HDB. Okay, condos, landed property, apartments. Okay. You cannot use a private property power of attorney for HDB matters because HDB power of attorney is a standard form template. You cannot use private property for HDB, you cannot use HDB POA for private property, okay? The third type of commonly used power of attorney is a general power of attorney, okay? It usually gives the person power to deal with the property, okay? Open, close bank accounts, pay credit cards, sign checks, buy car, all kinds of things, anything under the sun. It's customized. For general power of attorney, it's customized. There is a standard template, but you can tell the lawyer what you want to insert inside. For example, if you want to insert a clause dealing with cars, the lawyer can insert for it. If you want to insert a clause for paying of SP services bill, yes, the lawyer can do it too. Next, how much does a POA cost? Well, it ranges from, you have to call up Google POA or power of attorney, call up the various law firms. The market rate ranges between 160 to 300, some firms even charge 500, okay? How long does it take? Okay, as with other documents that are deed poll, is actually a very quick process, less than 10 minutes. It's a standard document. It's just Control F, replace all, change the name, IC, the address. It takes 10 minutes. The lawyer then uploads the PDF scan copy of the signed power of attorney to the High Court website. Okay. After it is uploaded, it depends on the court processing time. It could be approved in 1 day, 2 days, usually max 3 days. Okay. Usually after signing the power of attorney at the lawyer's office, the lawyer will just scan a copy and give you the original one POA that you signed, but it doesn't have a High Court seal on it. It doesn't have the High Court seal on it. Okay, and once it is approved, the High Court will issue a PDF document with the High Court seal on top of the POA. The lawyer will then print 2 or 3 pieces of the PDF. They will stamp certified true copy and they will post it usually to your attorney. Your attorney will then use the certified true copies when dealing with people. Most people will not accept just the PDF with the court seal. The lawyers will also usually email you the PDF, the approved PDF POA for your records. Okay? In the cases of HDB POAs, the lawyer will also have to write to HDB to confirm to HDB that they've used the standard format and that all the particulars of the donor, the attorney, and the address of the flat is correct. Okay, that's all I have to say today about power of attorneys. If you like this video, please click subscribe. Thanks a lot.